How to eliminate acne naturally and permanently. Welcome. Today, I'm going to reveal 4 powerful secrets to help you get rid of acne for good. This is likely the most effective acne treatment plan you'll come across. I'll cover the best foods to eat, the top supplements to consider, the ideal face wash, and the foods you should avoid to achieve clear skin. One of the primary culprits behind acne today is the buildup of harmful bacteria, yeast, and candida in your gut and digestive system. To tackle acne and candida effectively, you'll need to follow a few essential steps. Understanding the causes. You might be wondering, what caused my acne? Often, it's linked to the overgrowth of bad bacteria. Key contributors include antibiotics. Past use can disrupt gut bacteria balance. Birth control pills. These can affect hormonal balance. Chlorinated and fluorinated water. These can impact gut health. Excess sugar consumption. Sugar feeds harmful bacteria and yeast. Let's dive into our number 1 secret to eliminating acne. 1. Remove these foods from your diet. 1.1. Sugar. Sugar promotes the growth of yeast and candida, so it's crucial to cut it out. Replace sugar with stevia, a natural, zero-calorie sweetener. For cooking or baking, opt for raw honey, which is a better alternative. 1.2. Gluten in grains. Gluten can cause inflammation in your gut, which often manifests as skin issues like acne. Focus on reducing or eliminating grains, especially those containing gluten. Switching to gluten-free grains or using alternatives like coconut flour or almond flour is recommended. 1.3. Hydrogenated oils. These bad fats increase oil production in your skin. Avoid hydrogenated oils and opt for healthier fats. Use coconut oil instead of other oils for cooking, as it is less inflammatory and has antimicrobial properties that help fight acne. 2. Foods to embrace for clear skin. 2.1. High-fiber foods. Fiber helps reduce acne by improving gut health and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Incorporate chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, and vegetables into your diet. 2.2. Protein. Quality protein sources, such as organic chicken, turkey, grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, and organic eggs, help balance blood sugar levels and support skin health. Consider adding sprouted brown rice protein to your diet as well. 2.3. Healthy fats. Coconut oil is the top choice here. It supports skin health and combats bad bacteria. Use it for cooking and consider replacing other oils with it. Example: breakfast. A smoothie made with coconut milk, flax seeds or chia seeds, and a high-quality protein powder will give you a balanced start to your day. 3. Essential supplements for acne. 3.1. Probiotics. Probiotics are crucial for maintaining a healthy gut flora and boosting your immune system. Aim for a supplement with around 50 billion IU daily. Also, include probiotic-rich foods like kefir, yogurt, and cultured vegetables. 3.2. Zinc. Zinc helps repair your gut lining and supports immune function. A daily dose of 50 milligrams can be very effective against acne. 3.3. Antioxidants. Elderberry is a powerful antioxidant that can help with acne. You can use elderberry syrup or extract. Adding a tablespoon to your smoothie each morning can be beneficial. 4. Candida cleanse. Consider a candida cleanse where you eliminate sugar and grains for about a week, focusing on probiotics and high-fiber foods. 4.1 Best face wash. Use a tea tree oil face wash. Tea tree oil is a natural ingredient that fights off bad bacteria and helps moisturize your skin. Look for an organic tea tree oil face wash for the best results. In summary: 1. Eliminate sugar, gluten, most grains, and hydrogenated oils from your diet. 1. Replace with coconut oil and gluten-free alternatives. 2. Incorporate healthy fats, coconut oil, quality proteins, and fiber-rich foods. 3. Supplement probiotics, zinc, and antioxidants. 3. Consider a candida cleanse. 4. Use tea tree oil face wash for effective skincare. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tips. See you in the next video.